Where the argument falls down for you, surely, is when you get certain key examples. We'll leave out Banks because that's just a complete home run for Luke here. It's more like someone like Jeff Fairburn, who got £47 million for Persimmon, which is a house builder who only made money really because the government decided to build lots of houses.
Putting our life in boxes, erasing the memories so you won't notice. I'm taking the time to focus. You're by yourself, I'm by myself.
Well, that was an eventful drive. Realised after setting off that stupid arse here had gone and forgotten the charger for the drone. So we spent the majority of the M6 looking online, looking on Amazon, looking on Argos, looking everywhere possible to get a drone charger for a magic. My brain's not working, my mouth's not working, nothing's working this morning. Did have a good sleep though, and the van was super toasty warm. So what was I saying? So yeah, we tried to find a drone charger, couldn't get one. Best thing we can do is to get one drop shipped to Fort William for tomorrow morning. So we're going to drive up through Glasgow, up through the pretty scenery areas, find some nice spots, stop off, have some dinner somewhere in the van, and then head for Fort William, and then obviously tomorrow pick the drone charger up. But the weather's looking a bit grim, to say the least. She's back, she's got coffee
and a present for you.
A cream egg. Your coffee?
Yeah.
Happy?
No.
Cheers.
Wish I could solve your problems. They're stuck on my wall like neon paintings, and I'm so tired of being honest to everyone but myself. I do it so well. We were so good at flying, but we can't keep flying. We keep getting stuck on the wrong side of the mountain. We were so good at trying, but we can't keep trying, 'cause we only end up on the wrong side of the
So we're just going to have a little chill out, have some dinner, and where better to have it than by Loch Lomond. Is it pretty? Let's go have a wander and see what we can find.
We keep getting stuck on the wrong side of the mountain. We were so good at trying, but we can't keep trying, 'cause we only end up on the wrong side of the mountain. And you I will always remember when I'm dancing around with someone better. Until then I will pause forever. Keep taking my time through boxes and light. We were so good at flying, but we can't keep flying. We keep getting stuck on the wrong side of the mountain. We were so good at trying, but we can't keep trying, 'cause we only end up on the wrong side of the mountain.
So, left the drone charger at home, but thanks to the good old Amazon, we got one delivered to Fort William the next day, picked it up, it's arrived, and it's off to Skye. Spent a night in Fort William, had some sort of wash in a toilet, Not like in a toilet, but you know, in a, you know what I mean. I'm clean. She's clean. And it's on the road again. If you can stay on the road again. Through wet Scotland. Because it's pissing down. So we landed in the Isle of Skye and talk about wind and rain. If you had a kite, you'd be gone. But we're parked up on top of a great big hill. I don't think we found a bigger hill in Skye, but we're on top of it. It's just as windy down below as it is up above. So Emma's cooking food. Curry for tea, watch a movie, and then hopefully tomorrow the wind's going to die down, the rain's going to go, there is a possibility of snow, but you happy with snow?
Snow. Snow, snow. Snow.
She wants snow. The van doesn't want snow.
All
but
snow.
We've just had the roof up. It's just far too windy for the roof up, so we've left the roof down. It's absolutely lashing down outside, but tomorrow should be better. Wednesday, what day is it?
Tuesday.
Thursday, maybe. I can't remember. Wednesday is meant to be alright. One of the days is meant to be good, so hopefully we'll get the drone out then and get loads of pretty footage. Fingers crossed. But for now, it's just have our tea, relax, watch your film, go to bed and see what the morning brings. Parked up and Emma's trying pickle.
I don't know.
Get in your mouth.
In a week's time, there could be 20,000 of them. At that point, they will overrun our perimeter. Well, that's not going to happen. Our only security lies in preemptive attack
Apparently Emma now likes pickle.
with terror.
I mean, I don't know what's going on with this. Just ignore it. I'll put a hat on tomorrow. Never seen anyone so confused over pickle.
This place ever again. And that, too, is a fact.
It smells funny.
You've had worse in your mouth that smell funny. So we finally got to the, where?
Acquiring.
Inquiring. Don't know. Drone's going up, I know that much. Because it's beautiful. just nearly lost a mic. Go and get a sticker. Emma's going to do naughty things now with stickers.
Not naughty if everyone else is doing it. Just being part of the team.
Were you going to stick that?
Where the sun don't shine.
Sliding doors fell off. Well, it hasn't fell off. The rails come off the track, hasn't it? Not good, so we've got to try and fix it. And it's not good weather, so fingers crossed. You know, there's a video on this somewhere. Oh, by the way, Paul Peck